So here we are at Blackpool. So this is a bit of a spot actually for people flying their drones and flying up to the tower. Now I'm told the tower is 158 meters tall. So of course, because our maximum altitude for most people is 120 meters, it means we can't fly to the top of it. But when can you fly up to the side of it? So I don't know if you're aware of the rules regarding flying around buildings. So these rules state that if you've got permission, you can fly, I think it's within 50 meters of the building, you can fly right to the top, and you can fly over the top as well. But that's if you have permission. So when would you get permission? Well, you'd get permission when you've got permission to do an inspection from the building owner. Now, clearly we don't have that, so we need to stay below the 120 meters. I'm standing in between the North Pier and the Central Pier. So if you fly beyond really the Central Pier, which is over there, you approach the, I think it's Blackpool Airport flight restriction zone. So I would avoid going really further south than the Central Pier. If you want to fly in this area and you want to get the picture of the tower or the piers, then certainly you don't want to be flying south of here really. You can, there's a little bit you can go south, but not very far. It might be 100 meters, 200 meters. But if you want to be safe, I would just fly between these two or not further south than the Central Pier. So despite making plans, unfortunately the weather has not listened to my plans and it's drizzling. So it wasn't supposed to rain today, but it is drizzling. But you know, if it's not drizzling, there's plenty of space here to take off and land. I'll probably use the Mini, I suspect, because there's no separation distance. I just want to make sure that there's nobody around me when I'm taking off and landing. I'll maybe find a little spot, maybe over by the pier somewhere, so you're not at the level where you're not going to interfere with people, you're not going to get too close. And obviously I want to fly up to the tower, really get a good shot of that, so I'd want to be relatively close so I can keep the drone within distance or within close visual line of sight. Or maybe I go right out to the pier as far as I can get to the water, so I can fly the drone out beyond the pier and get the picture of the pier and the tower. So I'm now south of the Central Pier, and if you can see over there somewhere is a Blackpool pleasure beach. So that's well within the Blackpool Airport flight restriction zone. But if you want to know how to get permission to fly there, I'll put a link up here somewhere from my video where I explain how you do that. So it's quite a straightforward process, but you just need to follow the process because it is possible, but you need to obviously apply for permission. But if you're interested, I'll put the link up there. So one of the risks here could well be the gulls flying about. So you never really know whether they're going to pay much attention to you or not, but it's a definite consideration, the amount of wildlife. Often the higher you get, the less they're going to affect you, but also the higher you get, the less you can actually see what's going on as well. So that's one of the considerations. Right, so whether I fly with the Mini or fly with the Air 2, if I'm flying with the Air 2, I won't be able to get closer than 50 meters to this, so I'm going to have to fly way out there somewhere, so I'm going to get close to the tower. If I fly with a Mini, I want to minimize the overflight here. I mean, I don't consider this a crowd, but you still want to minimize that. I'd fly as quick a route across this area as possible because I don't want to be flying above people. Even though it is loud, I want to minimize that as much as possible. So one of the things actually you don't really talk about in drone flying is actually your own well-being. So I'm actually hungry. It's about 11, it's probably nearly 12 o'clock. So I think I'm gonna get something to eat before I make a decision whether I'm gonna fly or not. So get something to eat, a drink, see what the weather's doing, but not rush it. You know, there's no point in rushing something and making a mistake. Well, I've had a lovely walk. Having not brought the drone with me, I had to go back to the car, so I got lost. Anyway, I've got the drone. it stopped raining, no rain at all for the past 45 minutes while I've been walking out trying to find the car, and now got a bit of rain again. Do you think anybody would believe me if I told you that this was Blackpool town? I'll just do a quick flight around that rather than that one over there. No, don't believe me? Never mind. So at least I've had some food, had a drink, feel kind of full and better, and ready now to make some proper decisions. Always be in the right frame of mind before you start flying and make potentially some poor decisions. Right, I think I found my spot. That's the tower. Probably have to move to get the North Pier. Birds, yes. And I'll probably have to moved to get the Central Pier. But right, flight complete. So no real issues. The weather sort of sorted itself out eventually, as in it stopped raining, and shame we haven't got this guy behind us, but there you go. Nobody came out and said anything. I kept my distance for everybody, so hopefully it makes a nice video. One slight error, the SD card was almost full when I went up, so I've got like 3 minutes of video on it, then I had to bring it down to change the card, but these things happen. One thing to check actually when I'm taking stuff off the card is to actually delete the cards. I generally don't. I generally just format them in the drone because it doesn't really like formatting them on the computer for some reason. So anyway, if you like the video, if you found it useful, please click the subscribe button. That'd be really helpful to me, and obviously the little bell icon that lets you know when I've uploaded a new video would be cool. But no, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. If you've got any questions that you'd like me to answer, as in like me to make a video about, then let me know. I'll be interested to see what you've got. Thanks.